Today we are going to learn about Mahaprana sound. This sound is practiced in the beginning of all techniques of Praksha meditation. The purpose to practice this sound in the beginning of meditation is to disconnect our mind from the external noises, sounds, and disturbances.
It is also meant to stop non-stop jetting of our mind. It is also meant to connect to our inner peace, inner silence, inner happiness, and inner self. In this sound meditation, we will focus our attention on the junctional part of our nose, which is located on the top of our nose and below the eyebrows. To produce the sound, we will take long breath, focusing on the junctional part of our nose. Produce sound from there, experiencing the vibration of the sound in the cerebral part of our brain. Let us start practicing sound meditation. Please sit in a comfortable posture with a straight backbone and neck. Keeping both the hands on the knee, let the tips of the thumbs touch with the tips of the index fingers. Close your eyes softly. Take a long breath. Produce the sound, feeling the vibrations in the brain. Now relax. Relax. Relax your vocal cord, nose, and brain. The whole body is completely relaxed. Experience inner silence, inner connection, inner peace and happiness. Slowly and gradually, you are coming out of all anxieties, worries, insecurities. You are becoming full of confidence to face any challenge, any situation, any circumstances. You have solutions to your all problems. Search for the solutions within yourself in peaceful, relaxed state. Visualize yourself with full of confidence and fearlessness, free of all worries and anxieties. To conclude the meditation, please take 2 long breaths, feeling new energy, full confidence, and strength in you. Open the eyes and feel that you are completely free of all anxieties. Please repeat this meditation for thrice in a week for 6 weeks to participate in the group 1 of our research. Thank you very much for joining the session. Have a good day.